Welcome back. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. This is day number 2 of either a magic trick, science experiment, some dad jokes, and a word of encouragement for your day. Not all my magic tricks work every time, but we'll give it a try. So I've got this paper bag here and a bottle. You put the bottle in the bag and abracadabra. You can see the bottle has disappeared. Okay, maybe it didn't work. Like I said yesterday, I don't really have magical powers. There's just a secret that you don't know. Abracadabra. All right, the bottle has disappeared. Okay. It's not working. One more try. Abracadabra. Okay, well, that must not be working. We'll move on to the dad jokes. Why didn't the skeleton cross the road? Because he had no guts. To the guy who invented zero, thanks for nothing. Why? All right. Y equals mx plus b. The best one-liner ever. And the answer to yesterday's riddle of how much dirt is in a hole that is 3 feet wide, 3 feet long, and 3 feet deep, the answer is 0, nothing. There is no dirt in a hole. Today's riddle, I will tell you the answer tomorrow, is if you take 2 apples from 3, how many apples do you have? And for your encouragement for the day, Psalm 55:22 says, "Cast your cares on the Lord, and He will sustain you." That is a really important promise to believe in these times, that God will help us through anything that we need help with. And so if we cast our cares on Him, go to Him each day asking Him for help, He promises to take care of us. Have a wonderful day. I will see you again tomorrow.